Our original Brompton bicycle, born and raised in London, has given people an amazing way to get around cities right across the world.
But our community of riders wanted it to go further.
How could we make the most versatile bike ever made?
And so, inspired by a new sense of adventure and a mission to rewrite the rulebook, we set to work.
The original Brompton is the most portable and compact bicycle for getting around a city. We wanted to challenge what a compact folding bike could do. We have an amazing community of Brompton riders around the world, and we get to see how they use the bike and how they're pushing it. They wanted a Brompton that had the capability of a full-size bicycle, but still with convenience, that portability. And also something that was just fun. So we all challenged ourselves to think big, or not so big. From the first prototypes 8 years ago through to now, we've crafted and we've honed the perfect big folding bike. We've had teams working on the detail from nose to tail. So from the touch points and designing the comfort of those, through to the engineering an entirely new electric drive system from the bike, the iteration of testing and repeating and improving and learning and braking, to leaning into 50 years of production and manufacturing experience and crafting the toughest ever Brompton. We've built the G Line to open up experiences and new adventures wherever you take it. It's been quite a ride.
It was always the intention that the G Line would have an electric variant. The electric G Line had to have the best ride feel any electric bike could have. Our engineering team took the opportunity to completely redesign the system, starting with a customized rear motor. Safety is the absolute forefront of our design. We tested the system to the point where we actually traveled the equivalent distance to the moon and back. We've cooked it, we've smashed it, we've zapped it. We designed our own hardware and our own software, which means we can deliver future features through the Brompton app. We're proud we got to develop it in London, but we got to implement it on the amazing G Line, and this is just the start.
We're at our site in London. There's bicycle industry standards and there's Brompton standards. It's a set of incredibly rigorous tests that we put the bikes through. Braking stuff is something that we love to do, and the more we break it, the more we learn. G Line is about capability and it's about versatility. So to prove that, we needed to ride the bike, and to do that we had to get out of the office and put it in some environments that we weren't used to seeing a 16-inch bike in.
For us, it was about finding the best combination of handling, inspiring confidence of the ride, but also making it fun.
The fold and the magic of the Brompton is still there in the product, and it just brings a joy to cycling every day.
With G Line, we'll see a whole new group of people and a whole new group of adventures.
It's not just a city commuter bike now, means that we're reaching a whole new audience.
And we still want to get more Bromptons into more people's hands. It is a legitimate alternative to getting in the car.
The coolest thing about the G Line is that it's going to enable more people to go further.
Bicycles are this thing that's been here all along, and something like G Line, if that could bring more people to cycling and get that joy, that would be a very cool thing.